Social learners are going to thrive in group environments. They really need other people and they need to be able to collaborate, engage with others. This is how they're going to learn best. And some of these ways is through discussions, teamwork, shared experiences. They love to be able to talking, they like to exchange ideas, and they really need to be able to discuss perspectives with their peers. So let's look at how we want to apply the social learning style. First, try joining some study groups. You might want to organize or participate in a study session where you can discuss the material with others. The sharing of ideas and hearing different perspectives is going to deepen understanding. So try teaching someone else. One of the most effective ways to solidify your knowledge is to teach someone else. Remember that old model? It's called the see one, do one, teach one. That's what we're talking about. You've seen it, you do it, but now you're going to go teach it. So try explaining concepts to a classmate, a friend, or a family member. Next, you want to engage in peer feedback. And I know this can be really difficult for some people because it involves criticism, right? But you want to actively seek feedback and you want to actively seek it from the right people. Don't ask your next door neighbor who is a engineer to give you feedback on cooking, for instance, right? You want to find somebody who's going to mentor and give you feedback on the exact area that you're talking about. So look for those subject matter experts. You also want to engage in discussions that you can then get some constructive criticism that gives you better insights. How about attending some workshops or seminars? So, you want to participate in a group learning experience where you can interact with others. You want to be with instructors, you want to be with other students. And a great place to do that is in seminars, webinars, and conferences. And one of the things that I love about workshops, conferences, or seminars is that it's very specific. So, you can choose exactly what you are looking for. So, social learners excel in environments that are going to foster collaboration, discussion, shared experiences, and really gain a deeper understanding of material by interacting with others, by getting diverse perspectives. But what happens if you're in an area where you don't get that opportunity? Maybe it's a lecture. Perfect. After the lecture, join up with some others and talk about it. Or maybe you have an assignment that you have to do a written paper by yourself. Guess what? You can join a study group and talk about it. Be sure to also teach to others, participate, and make sure to remember to have any kind of strategy that's going to support engagement, reinforce understanding, and encourage meaningful connections with material and with fellow learners.